Uh, Hi. This is a testing zone. It sound good? Uh, I don't know what to say, but
Boss, can you give me the pussy, boss, please?
I had enough to deal with your bullshit. You're like,
Oh, I was born in the grown generation.
ooh, nobody gives a shit.
Let it go, let it go, let it go in my ass. Oh, yeah! Can you give me that pussy, boss, please? Can you give me the pussy, boss? Pussy, boss. Pussy, boss. 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 Boss.
Mm, mm, mm. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm Filthy Frank. Filthy of the Frank. Papa Franku. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank, bro. I'm just making another interesting sound because the last one was a total garbage. But here I am now. Papa Franku. Filthy of the Frank.
Yeah. That's a nice pussy. Cause you know, I'm always getting that pussy.
Woo!
Give me that pussy, boss. Give me that pussy, boss, please. Give me that pussy, boss, please.
Oh no! No, the salty pickle! No, the blame runner! Oh no! 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 Oh my god.
Do you know what? Don't you know what irony is? Don't you know what irony is? Yes. Yamete? Yamete kudasai? Yamete!
Oh, oh my god. I'm not kidding. I'm having a mental breakdown right now. But don't worry. I'm just totally depressed. I was not thinking into putting a gun in my mouth and pulling the trigger.
Boss? Boss? Did you hear the news? Did you hear the news, boss?
Yes, yes, I've heard the news, pink guy. Do you know what the news is? Donald Trump has fucking coronavirus. Oh my god. That was such an irony, bro. Donald Trump has fucking coronavirus. Donald Trump has fucking coronavirus. That fucking Nick.
I eat ass. I eat a lot of ass. I eat ass. I eat a lot of ass. From brown to white to Asian. I eat a lot of ass. I eat way too much ass. It affects my nutrition. If there was an ass eating competition, I could easily win cause I eat the whole ass.
Cause I eat the whole ass. It's just a prank, bro. Ravioli, ravioli. Put to the bucket only. It's been a long day without you, my friend. When I say again. C'est true, love true. That is true. And I think to myself, What a wonderful world!